he's a submariner. You know what I mean? He's
Yo, Ryan, let's fly. Look at this. There's no wind, man. Come on. You'll fix that later.
All right, let's go.
How you gonna take off?
Right to left? I mean, whatever way you want, I'm okay. If you want to go from the left, but we're probably going to have to land from the right. Most likely, when the wind changes. Look out for them damn birds!
Damn bird.
I got some maintenance to do on my stuff.
Like a fan? Yeah, it sounds like doo-doo.
It's not,
What the fuck is that all about?
not very Goonie-act, is it? That actually looks pretty good right there, huh?
Alright. This is how it needs to sound.
Oh, okay.
Gear up, flaps up.
Alright, let's give it a shot.
Go ahead.
Wherever. Sure.
Step back, Frank. Okay. All right.
Go ahead.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Where did these birds come from? Holy crap! Birds everywhere. Did you see that? Sorry. Birds actually scared me. Son, that wasn't fun. I still had to look at it though.
Oh, whoa, madman!
I'm flying around like frickin' geriatrics the whole fucking time. There we go. Woo! Hello, Frankie. Dude, I feel the breeze from that one.
Time remaining 1 minute.
And coming back down.
Temperature 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Light pack 22.0. 30 seconds.
We don't do that enough with this.
Light pack 21.8 volts.
Right at the damn sun.
10.
Alright, I'm coming in. I gotta come in with this pack.
6, 5. Gear down. 4, 3, 2.
I'm landing from the right.
Time expired.
I'm coming in from the right.
Landing flap.
Although I feel wind from the right. I should have come in the other way. Oh well.
You think the wind is what you're downwind right now?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I'm downwind.
Landing.
I was waving at you.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
The rally looks really good, Chris.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Nice stuff, Frankie.
Yeah,
It
that
is.
was the right way to come
It
in.
was. Yeah, I felt it. It changed last minute.
Oh, look at this guy. It's just like, where's my fan? Alright, let's do it, Chris. Let's do it.
Flaps up.
Oh, this setup is amazing.
It is.
The only reason I'm not ready to just drop it in and fly it,
Uh-huh.
the 150 amp speed control comes
Plugs.
So rather than going down, I thought I would go up on the motor.
That's fair.
So, but I brought a speed controller though.
Okay.
And when I put all the tray and everything in, my nose gear didn't work. That's what we say. It's annoying.
Alright, let's go get you.